Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can fix a switch account error in Messenger. In case you're not aware that Messenger actually allows you to have multiple accounts at one particular time in one single application. In order to have a switch account feature on your Messenger, what you have to do is you must have a secondary account, only then you'll have a switch account feature. So the switch account feature lets you switch into another account without entering your login information. So in order to do that, what you have to do is, so first of all, you'll have to open up your Messenger application. As you open up your Messenger application, in the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. So then tap on it. As you tap on it, on the other page, you have a multiple option, and then you'll have to tap on switch account. As you can see that I have multiple accounts logged into my device. In case if you don't have the switch account feature on your device, so the reason might be that you must have not added your secondary account or you must have not logged into your account. So in order to add, so all you have to do is tap on add account, and as soon as you tap on it, on the other side, you will be asked to enter your login information, that will be your username or your email and then your password. As you enter your correct information, on the other page you will successfully log into your secondary account. As soon as you do that, this kind of interface might appear on your device. After doing all this, if the feature isn't available on your device, what you can do is you can simply update your Messenger application to the latest version. So after doing that as well, if the feature does not appear, what you can do is you simply have to go back to your home screen and then long press on your Messenger application, and once you do that, tap on app info. So on the other page you'll have to tap on storage. Next page you will be directed into storage. So all you have to do is you'll have to tap on clear data, and as soon as you tap on clear data, keeping in mind that all your data will be erased, which means that you'll have to log in once again. Still it does not work. What you can do is you can simply uninstall your Messenger application and once again reinstall it, and after you reinstall it, once again you'll have to log into your account, and this feature might probably work. So these were the few methods to fix switch account error in Messenger. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.